in play last season. Maybe in suppose dey top 3. Okay, if you know dey top 3, I can say okay, make I still check the top 10 list. When I check the top 10 list, see the list for there. That player also no dey for the list. And the player name na Vinicius Jr, Brazil and Real Madrid winger Vinicius Jr. Last season, Vinicius Jr do plenty of things wey we see with our eye. 23 goals and 22 assists for last season. And for that 23 goals, 7 UEFA Champions League goals dey, 6 UEFA Champions League assists dey. He reached the semi-finals with Real Madrid when they come knock them out. Man City will eventually win the UEFA Champions League. So the matter surprised me well, how he not make top 10, even top 10 for that list. So I think make I bring the matter come area, make we rub mind, make we talk how we see am. You think say Vinicius Jr suppose make top 10 for that list based on wetin he play last season, or the list dey correct without Vinicius Jr name? Talk how you see am for the comment section of this video, and don't forget to share am with your friends and family. Una bye bye.